Hello and good morning, Gayatri with you today. Today, let us continue the lessons on Rashis. Today's lesson is on Leo Rashi or Simha Rashi. Leo is a fixed fiery sign. It's an odd masculine sign, East rising, Shristodaya. The symbol is a lion, the Lord is sun, and the nakshatras that are there are Magha 4 padas, Pubba or Purva Phalguni 4 padas, and 1 pada of Uttra. Please do remember that Leo is the fifth sign from the Kala Purusha. Therefore, it is the sign of Purva Punaya, the natives who have their moons posted in these nakshatras in Leo or whose lagna is Leo have an or are born with Purva Punya. Therefore, their lives will always be smooth and happy. Mantrashwara states that a person who is ascendant is Leo, and he also states in another chapter that even if the Rashi is Leo, the native will have reddish small eyes, large chin, broad face. He will be arrogant, powerful, valiant, firm-minded, obedient to his mother. He is fond of roaming about in the forest, and he will get angry at the trifle of things. Now here we are already describing the native's face. We are describing the native's eyes and chin. The things that we are coming with is slow speech, speaking sparsely, looking very dignified, because the lion always looks dignified, royal. They are honest to fault. That is one of the most good attitudes, but may not be necessary in this fast space of life. They are self-sufficient, highly confident nature. They are brutally honest, and they have a keen sense of dressing. They are proud, they love magnanimously, they give generously. They don't really like to take anything in return, and they love to be flattered or flattery, and they have the self absorption. I mean, they do kind of appreciate themselves more often. Now let us look at the education and qualifications or career opportunities for Leo natives. Leo natives is generally considered to be an administrative person, considered to be an accounts and audit person. You see, the king has to take accounts and audit. The king has to see to the movements of every individual or every citizen. So probably passing on the same qualities, we find that the Leo has a great sense of loyalty, and they are, kind of hardworking. They can follow orders to the T. They have a strong ability to join government organizations. They make good administrators, second in command. They can do well in many fields depending upon the planetary positions in the fifth house. But after doing any business, any particular education, they come back to management, because they are very good at managing people, even though they speak very less, but those few sentences make them extremely important. They have a great sense of knowledge, and they can impart knowledge, making them good teachers. Research orientation is also a part of a Leo, because he does not get distracted due to the circumstances or due to the environment. Now let us look at marriage. Marriage for Leo natives. Leo natives will marry on their own, and they generally choose one partner, and they are happy with that partner. They mainly look at, steadfastness, comfort, steadiness more than romance. They're probably the partnership, probably marriage is a partnership to them than a romantic adventure. the Leo natives generally don't go out of their way to show their love and affection, but they are very faithful, and the small acts what they do will give us an indication that they are extremely lovable and extremely emotionally attached to their partners. Now, when we look at the wealth and properties, as I said previously, the fifth house is the Purva Punaya sthana. Therefore, most Leo natives will bring properties with them on birth, or they will have properties with them before they are born. They will naturally generate more wealth. They have a very independent spirit. They do not like to be what you call it, dependent on others. They have a great lifestyle, so they will earn their wealth according to their lifestyle. Mars is a Yogakaraka planet for Leo natives. Mars is the Bhumi Putra. Therefore, Leo natives generally will have properties and generally will have wealth, or they will be born with wealth. Now, this would be the thought process as far as properties are concerned. They may build houses little far away from the society, because we have seen that Mantrashwara says that they like to wander about in the forests and hills. So therefore they like exclusion and not inclusion. I hope this video has been useful. I have tried to make it short. Next video will be on the Nakshatras in Leo Rashi. Do like, share and subscribe. Follow me at G3 Astro. Signing off, Gayatri. Bye bye. Have a pleasant day.